So hello and good morning everyone. In this video we will discuss about the difference between tumor and cancer. कौन सा ट्यूमर आपका बाद में चलकर कैंसर का फॉर्म ले सकता है और कौन सा ट्यूमर आपके लिए सेफ है. बेसिकली दो टाइप के ट्यूमर होते हैं हमारे, बेनाइन और मेलिग्नेंट. बेनाइन ट्यूमर जो होता है वो नॉन कैंसरस होता है. इवन इन द अदर हैंड जो मेलिग्नेंट ट्यूमर होता है वो आपको कैंसरस ट्यूमर होता है. तो आइए इस वीडियो में डीपली जानते हैं डिफरेंस बिटवीन बेनाइन ट्यूमर एंड मेलिग्नेंट ट्यूमर. So first we will discuss about neoplasia or tumor, an abnormal new growth of a tissue that can be grow by a cellular proliferation more rapidly than the normal. Continue to grow after the stimuli that can be initiate the new growth of a cases show the partial or complete lack of a structural organization and functional coordination with the normal tissue, and usually form the distinct mass of a tissue which may be either than benign or malignant. Benign tumor is a non-cancerous tumor that can be do not innervate the nearby healthy tissue. This is a capsule tumor, example like fibroma and fibroid. Malignant tumor is a cancerous tumor. These cells are often spread and damage the nearby tissue. Cancer is considered as a chronic disease which is requiring ongoing management rather than the terminal illness. They may be spread distant organ which is known as metastasis. Risk factor like age, tobacco, ultraviolet rays, genes. Breast cancer is the most common cancer in the woman. Upper outer quadrant is mostly affected. Infection and viruses are associated with the risk certain as in a form of cancer. Example infection like HPV, which is human papilloma virus, increase the risk of form of cancer. Cervical cancer, anal cancer, upper airway cancer. Stephen-Barr virus, which is lymphoma. Nasopharyngeal cancer, gastric cancer. Cytomegalovirus, which is colon cancer. Hepatitis B and C, which is hepatocellular cancer. Pathogenes of neoplasia, like the evaluation of neoplasia is a complex process which can be proceeded through the two sequence: the conversion of new cells or normal cells into a neoplastic cells, and the development of neoplastic cells into tumor. Phases of tumor development, like there are three phases which is recognized in many tumor mutation. It is a stage which is refers as the damage of a nuclear DNA. Promotions, like it can be brought about the variety of factors certain as drugs, viruses and hormones etc. And there are methods which can be spread of a tumor, like scoma strands to be spread via the blood. And the term tumor, which can be referred to the swelling. Neoplasm means new growth. All cancer are not neoplasm, or the tumor malignant change occurs when the cells go out of controls and prevent the normal functioning of an organ or a system. They may be taken a form of a solid tumor which can be affect the mechanism of an organ. Diagnosis, like it can be vary in that there are types like sizes, type of a tissue they can be originate. Diagnosis is done by using tumor marker cell test, screening test of a cancer, imaging studies and palpation by heart. It can be example like breast cancer. Management, like a surgical management including the preventing surgeries, primary surgeries, cytoreductive surgeries, salvage treatment. Chemotherapy use can be a system of treating like following surgeries, radiations, radiation therapy etc. सो होप सो गाइज आपको वीडियो पसंद आई और आपको पता चल गया होगा, बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चल गई होगी. बेनाइन ट्यूमर एंड मैलिग्नेंट ट्यूमर के बीच का डिफरेंस पता चल गया होगा आपको. क्या क्या ट्रीटमेंट्स होते हैं, क्या क्या रिस्क फैक्टर्स होते हैं और कैसे कैसे सिम्टम्स होते हैं, क्या क्या इन्फेक्शंस के कारण आपको कैंसर हो सकता है. तो आपको कोई भी सिम्टम्स अपनी बॉडी में नज़र आए या फिर किसी भी टाइप का पेन फील हो अपनी बॉडी में, तो आपको डायरेक्टली इमीडिएटली अपने नियर बाय डॉक्टर से कंसल्ट करना चाहिए. एंड होप सो आपको वीडियो पसंद आई हो. ऐसी ही मोर वीडियोस देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. टाटा बाय बाय, टेक केयर.